Question. What are actions in MVC? Actions are the methods in controller class which is responsible for returning the view of JSON data. Action will mainly have return type, action results in quotes, and it will be invoked from method invoke action method in quotes, called by controller. What is attribute routing in MVC? ASP.NET Web API supports this type of routing. This is introduced in MVC 5. In this type of routing, attributes are being used to define the route. This type of routing gives more control over classic URI routing. Attribute routing can be defined as controller level or at action level like route bracket quotes open bracket open curly bracket open action equals text category list curly bracket close quote close bracket close square bracket close controller level square bracket open route bracket open quote open customer slash curly bracket open text category ID colon and column name bracket open 10 bracket close curly bracket close quote close bracket close square bracket close action level. Question. How to enable attribute routing? Just add the method in quote map MVC attributes route method. To enable attribute routing as shown below. To enable attribute routing as shown below. Public static void register route quote open bracket open route collection route quote close curly bracket open route dot ignore our route to continue refer to the link which will be given later. Question. Explain JSON binding. JavaScript object notation JSON binding support started from MVC 3 almost via the new JSON value provider factory, which allows the action method to accept and model bind data in JSON format. This is useful in Ajax scenarios like client templates and data binding that needs to post data back to the server. Question. Explain dependency resolution. Dependency resolver again has been introduced in MVC 3 and it greatly simplified the use of dependency injection in your applications. This tends to be easier and useful for decoupling the application components and making them easier to test and more configurable. Question. Explain bundle.config in MVC4. Bundle.config.cs in MVC4 is used to register the bundles by bundling and minification system. Many bundles are added by default, including jQuery libraries like jQuery.battery, Modernizer, and default CSS references. Question. How route table has been created in ASP.NET MVC? Method. Register routes method in quote is used for registering the routes which will be added in application underscore start method in quote method of global.asax file, which is fired when the application is loaded or started. Which are the important namespaces used in MVC? Below are the important namespaces used in MVC. System.web.mvc, system.web.mvc.ax, system.web.mvc.html, system.web.mvc.async. Question: what is view data? View data contains the key value pairs as dictionary, and this is derived from class view data dictionary. In action method, we are setting the value for view data, and in view, the value will be fetched by typecasting. 20. Question: what is the difference between view bag and view data in MVC? View bag is a wrapper around view data, which allows to create dynamic properties. Advantage of view bag over view data will be: in view bag, no need to typecast the object as in view data. View bag will take advantage of dynamic keyword, which is introduced in version 4.0. But before using view bag, we have to keep in mind that view bag is slower than view data.